Welcome to 7979 Whitingfield Circle in Milton, Florida. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home is over 2,400 square feet and it resides on just under 5 acres. As you can see, we are off the road here with a private drive coming in, allowing for tons of privacy back here. There are a plethora of fruit trees. We do have 2 varieties of apple trees, olive trees, tangerine trees. I believe there are pears and blackberries as well. So tons of fruit trees out here. You can see we do have wonderful stone siding here and hardy plank siding on the remainder of the house. There is also an exterior security system for added security. Lots of oak trees out here. So here we are on our front porch coming in. Coming into the foyer on our right hand side, we have an office space with hardwood flooring in both of these rooms up here up front. Additional storage in this wonderful window bench here just below, and some built-in shelving for additional storage. And just across the way here we have a formal sitting room, or as you can see, the owner is using this for a lovely craft room. If you needed a 4th bedroom, you could also add 2 French doors right here in this opening and close this off and have a 4th bedroom. So coming into the kitchen and dining space, we have a nice open floor plan. Very spacious, gorgeous kitchen here with granite countertops. We do have a beautiful Kitchen Aide appliance suite set here with an electric cooktop and a hood range over the oven there, with a pantry as well. Beautiful wood tone soft close cabinetry. Wonderful light fixture here in the kitchen as well. Nice size island with a breakfast bar, and we do have additional storage space underneath the breakfast bar here with a built-in prep sink. Very convenient right here on the corner. So again, we have a nice, wonderful, spacious floor plan. Just off to our left, we have a den or an additional living space. I will take you back there in just one second, but first I wanted to show you the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the back side of the house here. So coming into the bathroom, wonderful, charming clawfoot tub, very spacious bathroom, super cute in here. And there are 2 antique light fixtures in here that convey with the property as well. So coming into our primary suite, tons of natural light coming into these French doors off the back patio. Very spacious. We do have a walk-in closet. Both of these wood doors here connect the closet just behind them. And then just off the master suite here, we do have a 30 by 35 huge deck, just perfect for entertaining. So into the bathroom, we have another charming rolling barn door here. We do have dual vessel sinks as well as a shower tub combo. So lots of space here in this primary suite. Hall linen closet here on our left for additional storage. Pull down attic space for some storage as well. Hardwood floors again in all these bedrooms. And both these bedrooms here measure 12 by 12, so they are the same size. Into our 2nd bedroom. This is a king size bed, just to kind of give you a frame of reference for the size of the rooms. So nice sized bedrooms here. And here we have a nice perspective and view of the main living space. As you can see, she's got a table that seats 6 in here. You can easily get a table that seats 8. You can make this into a huge formal dining space if you wanted to do that and entertain lots of family and friends. Just a gorgeous kitchen here. And then into our additional living space, as I said, travertine flooring in here, and we do have some wood beamed accents up top. So lots of room in here to spread out, lots of living space. Just off the space here, we have a convenient powder room for guests. travertine flooring as well. And then into the spacious laundry room. As you can see, there's plenty of storage space, and we do have an additional side door that leads to the covered 2-car carport as well. Refrigerator in here, tons of space for additional storage. All right, so moving on into the backyard. Again, we have this huge 30 by 35 deck space, just awesome for entertaining. Plenty of room for a swimming pool as well, if you were interested in putting one of those in. And then we have some really cool features about this property that I'm excited to show you. I had to put my shoes back on there. Metal roof on this home as well. Always a bonus feature. As you can see, we do have the fruit trees kind of all throughout the property. So again, this is just under 5 acres. This part is fenced off separately. She did use this as a kennel for breeding puppies. There are plenty of uses for this. It's a 40 by 20 storage building here. You could use this for smaller RV, boat storage, all your toys, collectible car, all sorts of different uses for this building. And there are roll down doors that close it up and completely seal it. We do have a side door here, and it does have power in here as well. As you can see, just over here to the side were the drains to kind of keep the puppy kennels clean and all that. So let me give you a peek back here because there's some additional storage. This storage space measures 20 by 20. So you have dry coverage here as well. So just a really cool setup. Also on the property, there are 2 chickens. They're a little young to bear eggs yet, but they do convey if the buyers would like. And there's a nice sized chicken coop over here as well. So let's take a peek over there at that. Nice side view of the house. You can see how huge that deck space is right there. You can just sit out there, come out from your master bedroom and enjoy a nice morning cup of coffee out there. I'll give you a peek. So it's really a nice size out here and protected from anything getting to them as well. Oh, here we have one right here. So you could have farm fresh eggs every day. There they are. Hey guys. So we got 2 chickens out here. Plenty of room for more chickens. And it's nice and shady over here for them as well. All right. Then just off the side here, we have our 2-car carport. As you can see, I'll give you a view from over here. So there's plenty of room out here. Obviously, there is no HOA. You have plenty of room to spread out and do whatever you'd like to do. Tons of room for all your toys. Lots of fruit trees. And a beautiful garden over here. I believe these flowers are a form of ginger. They're just gorgeous, gorgeous. Some target practice over there in the back. Beautiful mature oak trees out here, so there's plenty of shade over here too for you to utilize that. So here's our 2-car carport. Again, we are really private back here. If you're into privacy, this is definitely a property for you to check out. All right, I'm going to take you back inside. I'll give you one last peek at the kitchen and main living area. Again, on our left over here, that is the door that leads to the into the laundry room, and then this side door just to kind of bring you full circle and give you a view where we end up. So please let us know if you have anybody who'd like to see this house. It is a wonderful house on just under 5 acres. Again, this is going to be 7979 Whiting Field Circle in Milton, Florida.